Oh, you haven't recorded? Yeah.
Yeah, no, I was taking pictures, but yeah, it's recording now.
Panic to your left.
Left.
Our left. Panic
It's
slowly.
right.
To our left is
It's
that way,
right.
yeah.
Our left. Yeah, it's right. Pan to the right, I mean. Right. And the whole road, no?
Say goodbye.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright, fuck it, that'll do it.
You should do one, you know what you should do? Honestly, do one close, like in front of us, and then zoom all the way out.
Yeah, that looks really
That's
good.
the one. That is the, you know.
And
Have it above these so you can't see them. I know.
Yeah, in front of us, and just zoom all the way out far, high.
and power loop after that.
Yeah. Hang on, why can't I see us there? Alright, so can we come?
Probably come closer.
Well, not that close.
Right, so hang on. Up and back, innit?
Yeah. Yeah, cool. That's good. That's good. Yeah, keep going higher and higher. Okay.
There's a camera on. Cool.
That's enough, I believe.
Moon looks great.
Just disappear completely.
No,
Yeah,
it
that
goes fast if you put in sports mode.
Yeah, he did the other day, and I was
70 miles
fucking
an hour,
shocked, and it
apparently.
weren't even that
No,
fast.
it is 65.
Let's come back.
Is it?
Yeah, 45 miles an hour.
Okay.
It's pretty fast for
Yeah.
a fucking quad.
Yeah,
nearly
you put it
50.
in sport.
Yeah. Oh, I like them.
For normal stabilisation zone, yeah.
Where did you get them?
My mate played a while ago. Now they do like the connected. I've got them.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I've got them.
I like that.
It is pretty fast, but if you crash it, it breaks. That's the problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've learned to fly. I went through a
Come
lot.
through the bush.
Sneak it up on us.
You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, it's dogging time, guys. Quick, there's enough of you.
I feel like we're hunters who's just presenting our kill. We've got all of these animals.
I was going to try and turn the braking off, and then it will just drift when you do that.
Landing.